Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show. All right, redpillrixter, we're going to get right into it. This show is going to be great. Let's go. Hey, yo, let's go. One time.
Most men are so simple, so the way that you treat him will always matter more than what you think you're bringing to the table, whether that be your finances, your education, your cooking or cleaning skills. None of that can compare to treating that man right. So you can lose your man to a woman with no job, no education, no cooking or cleaning skills because she's got listening skills. She knows how to speak to him kindly.
I hope women are taking serious note about the things that are being said, yo. Mister. Let's do that again, bro. Real talk.
Most men are so simple, so the way that you treat him will always matter more than what you think you're bringing to the table, whether that be your finances, your education, your cooking or cleaning skills. None of that can compare to treating that man right. So you can lose your man to a woman with no job, no education, no cooking or cleaning skills because she's got listening skills. She knows how to speak to him kindly, softly. She initiates the sex. She shows him he is desired, and she uplifts that man on a daily basis without him asking. You understand?
Yep.
Why wouldn't he choose her?
Yep.
Now, I had a baby daddy that told me in front of my child, I am not his daddy. I don't need a nigga like that. I need a man who...
Yo, you can tell that one really hurt her bad. Yo, she had a baby daddy that did what?
Uplifts that man on a daily basis without him asking. You understand? Why wouldn't he choose her?
Now, I had a baby daddy that told me in front of my child, I am not his daddy. I don't need a nigga like that. I need a man who knows who's going to come into a whole house. He's going to take mine as his.
Yes! There's plenty of them. There's a line of men waiting on me, but there is not a line of men waiting to be great stepdads.
My baby boss. Lying, I'm the father of that baby boss. Boss, I'm that baby's daddy. Any fool can see that baby belongs to me. I want it different. That little rascal belong to me. Rather say, boss, I'm that baby's daddy. I be the paw boss. I'm the paw that there youngin' boss. I'm the pappy.
I really want to fuck 3 man one time. Like, it left on my mind very... Actually, but I want to fuck 3 man one time.
Oh boy. 304's talking it straight, yo. She wants to get a choo-choo train ran on her with 3 dudes at the exact same time. Now, that's absolutely crazy, yo. Who's growing these kids, yo? Who's growing these kids, bro? All right, let's go.
Yeah, man. Like, but also imagine if one of them have them cocky and boom boom, I mean, a suck off blood clot. But I want to see one backers. One backers are one missionary. But a 3 I want.
She is serious about it, yo. Look at her face, bro. She's serious.
Because I want to rotate the sucking of the wood.
Oh my God. I don't know what to say, people. It's absolutely disgusting, yo. It's the Mr. Show, yo. Are you hearing what this young girl is saying? How old do you think this girl is, yo? 17? 16?
Yeah, I really want to fuck 3 man one time. Like
18.
It left on my mind very... Actually, but I want to fuck 3 man one time. Yeah. I want to fuck 3 man one time.
Wow.
Yeah. I want to fuck 3 man one time. Yeah, man.
She's serious.
Like, but also imagine if one of them have them cocky and boom boom, I mean, a suck off blood clot. But I want to see one backers are one missionary. But a 3 I want because I want to rotate the sucking of the wood, you see me?
Wow.
I want the other position there.
Wow.
Ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way.
Yo, people, grow your kids, yo. Grow your damn kids. Grow your kids. They go on the internet and say no crap like that, bro. You hearing that shit? Me no endorse chichi man thing. Watch. Up next, the unruly woman that will be single for life, and she'll have a cat. And people invest in cat food. All invest in cat food because these lonely ass women.
I'm never going to be submissive to a man. I'm never going to be submissive to a man. I'm not going to be submissive.
Cannot make this, folks. You cannot make this.
Y'all heard it.
You ain't never gonna forget the day you let the best thing that's ever gonna happen to you walk the fuck out the door.
I don't really be obedient unless you give me a reason, because I can't do what a hoe tell me to do.
Hey, yo! Hey, yo! Hey, yo! Hey, yo!
Yo, Capleton, the reggae artist, said, from your year then you will know them. The unruly chick, bro, of 2024. Let's see what she's saying right now.
I can't really obey. You
Are you hearing that? She can't obey. She can't listen. She can't do none of that stuff. The unruly chick of 2024.
give me a reason,
Check
because
it
I
out.
can't do what a hoe tell me to do. I can't really obey. You do.
Hey, yo!
I really can't be obeying hoe your life up, and I'm on my 4th life. I'm on my 4th life. I don't know if I got a lot of lives like a cat. I'm on my 4th one. I just gotta be thankful. When I do be single, it's usually because I want me to do. So I just make my decision. He'll just give me.
What she mean by she on her 4th life, though? How many lives destroyed, bro? What does that mean? 4th life?
Tomato, and I'll be like, nah.
I don't like the idea of, oh, this is my one person and I only share time with this person. No, I don't have a boyfriend. I hate things that are exclusive. I could not have a boyfriend. That would just be me. I don't have a boyfriend. I don't feel the need to be with anyone. And I'm totally fine with that.
It is played out to sit up, let a nigga run up in you raw, nut in you, and then blame him for you being a single mother when the whole concept of my body, my choice is showing that it's on us to birth a child. It takes 2 to create the baby, meaning for you to get pregnant, but it only takes 1 mother to decide that the baby gonna be born.
Now you on Clubhouse. Clean the house up. You don't even dust your no more. All that time you spending on Clubhouse.
The man say y'all don't even douche your no more.
You don't even dust your no more. All that time you spending on Clubhouse.
Stay fresh underneath.
No more. All that time you spending on Clubhouse. Hey, yo, pour the food out the dresser. Clean that guy.
Yo, Charleston. Yo, this brother don't play. Charleston, he does not play, yo. He's telling you straight what the woman for do and how she for blood clot do it. All right, so Charleston White. Yo, the women nowadays in 2024, they're not even cleaning themselves underneath anymore, bro. And that's real talkers from what I see.
Nut in you and then blame him for you being a single mother when the whole concept of my body, my choice is showing that it's on us to birth a child. It takes 2 to create the baby, meaning for you to get pregnant, but it only takes 1 mother to decide.
All right, I hear that.
Now you on Clubhouse. Clean the house up. You don't even dust your no more. All that time you spending on Clubhouse.
Damn.
Pour the food out the dresser. Clean that guy. My box. Put some Ajax in that toilet. That liquid you putting in that don't clean that toilet like coming in Ajax. You hoes ain't got no recipe to no cornbread dressings. Don't know how to make hot water cornbread. You can't bake that motherfucking pot roast in that bag with them potatoes and them carrots and that come out tender. You can't even no more like your mama and them used to. And if you could, you wouldn't be on no motherfucking Clubhouse. You would be making sure them bills paid, and your kids ain't got to worry about nothing. Most your hoes getting away free.
The way that you come off, and it's like because of social media, the way that sometimes we are perceiving you, it's like you thriving off bullshit.
That's my intention.
No shade.
That's my intention. Y'all don't love Dr. King's lyrics. Y'all, if we love Louis Farrakhan so much, how do we not replay his lyrics?
God created the woman that the man may find peace.
They don't remove.
Yeah, but it starts.
Listen. I came online to play a villain. I didn't come online to make friends. I didn't come online to get black people.
Yo. The man's talking the truth. He came online to be the villain, and the villain he will be. Charleston White, finish.
I came online to play a villain. I didn't come online to make friends. I didn't come online to get black people to clap for me.
I came to be disrespected. I come to no. Listen. I came online. I came online to have a plan. I don't give a like it. I come to play a villain, and not only have my villain got me rich, it's got me famous. I don't give a damn if y'all don't like it. Y'all ain't stop listening.
I didn't say that. Listen.
So don't give me no about what I'm saying. I come with the bull, and can't no woman tell me a mother thing if I ain't. Man, can't no black woman tell me a and I ain't. If a man down give me no, I sit up talk to men. Can't no mother woman tell me a thing. Especially not no black. You shouldn't have got me on this mother.
It's like you shouldn't have put me on this motherfucker.
You know, ask me about a mother thing that I'm saying. Don't call me up, ask me about a mother thing I'm talking about. You trying to ask me about what I'm doing and got like she trying to check me by some.
Damn.
Trying to say something to me, go have some mother problems.
A lot of men don't realise, and women will vouch for me, we don't actually say what we mean, we say what we feel.
Every man will vouch for that.
Mic drop.
Mic drop nothing. Every man will say that most women say what they feel and not what they actually mean still. Say it, so keep going. Let's see what she said.
We feel. Mic drop.
Mic drop.
That's a very difficult thing for a lot of guys to comprehend because we hear what you say.
Or any human for that matter.
And then we think that's what you mean. Because men speak and think in terms of logic.
When they say yes, they also mean no. When they say no, they sometimes mean no, but they sometimes also mean yes. Yes. Or it could be a maybe, but maybe is a yes. Yes, so maybe also means yes. Yeah, and the guy should understand what she means when she says yes. What is she thinking when she says yes to this, as opposed to, okay, she's saying no, but she means yes. Is it a no? Or is it a no? Or you know, like no. That was like a maybe. That was super maybe. That was like a maybe, but on the yes side. Yeah.
This is the nem here at Hon Yav. They just freshly make this one by dozen. The f*** go. You want to go on my OnlyFans?
That also plays into the systematic stuff that I was talking about, because a lot of women can't get jobs in construction.
Have you ever tried to be a concreter?
Yeah. No, but I totally would.
Okay, why aren't you?
Because I'm not educated on it.
Why don't you go and get educated on concreting?
I totally would. Like, as soon as I get things straightened out,
sure.
I want a different field. I'm tired of the medical field.
Let me tell you this, and you can disagree with me if you'd like. You wouldn't last 2 minutes as a concreter, because unfortunately...
I'd like to try to prove people wrong.
In the modern world, you can think that all you want, and that's because your life is so comfortable and you can have that strain of thought. But the fact of the matter is that I did concreting for a few months, and I didn't last, and I'm not a weak guy, but these guys are some of the hardest people you'll ever meet in your life. They are up at the crack of dawn every day.
Yo. I gotta vouch for that. I did concrete forming one time for a few months, and it was hard. It was nothing that you can just jump into easily. You gotta work hard all day, bro. It ain't a lie. Bada.
Straightened out. Sure. I want a different field. I'm tired of the medical field.
Let me tell you this, and you can disagree with me if you'd like. You wouldn't last 2 minutes as a concreter, because unfortunately...
I'd like to try to prove people wrong.
In the modern world, you can think that all you want, and that's because your life is so comfortable that you can have that strain of thought. But the fact of the matter is that I did concreting for a few months, and I didn't last, and I'm not a weak guy, but these guys are some of the hardest people you'll ever meet in your life. They are up at the crack of dawn every day, breaking their backs. You would not last a single day. You can sit here and say girl power all you'd like, you wouldn't last a day.
This unwarranted attack on my person.
He broke out my window.
Which one?
Oops. Girlfriend says, "Bae, I can't come over. It's raining." And what does side chick say? Oh shit. Oh snap.
This is one of the oldest real ninjas still alive. His student trapped him, and he's about to get out in the most badass way possible. His students always knew he was strong, but actually wanted to see proof of it. That's when their teacher decided to demonstrate that aging doesn't always mean a loss in strength. He first made sure his student was ready before making a subtle jump to cover the fact that he grabbed his hand. After that, he absolutely destroyed the student just by holding his hand in a manner that creates a hell of a pain. I'm pretty sure no one could endure this technique, but if you think you could, then subscribe.
The body count thing, I think it's like crude to talk about that.
All right, like and subscribe, people. If you made it this far, then like and subscribe. Yo, body count conversations seem to disturb certain women, and I really don't understand why. All right, let's get into it. Body count conversation.
But if you think you could, then subscribe.
Yep. Like and subscribe to Mr. Mr. Show.
I think it's like crude to talk about that.
If
I
a
think it's
man
private.
had been prosecuted multiple times for domestic abuse, would you consider that to be something which was pertinent for you to know?
Yes.
How come? It doesn't mean that he's
Because,
going
like,
to
he has
domestic. Hang on. It doesn't mean that he's going to domestically abuse you. Why do you feel like it's pertinent for you to know that information?
Because it's like informed consent, you know, like I need to know that that's a potential risk in my relationship.
Right, so because it's throwing out red flags for risk, right? Why would body count be any different than that?
Because are you talking about risk as far as STD? Because there could be
not just
safe sex
STDs, but there's all sorts of other risks which come with it. So the thing is that as we look at the details here, we're using risk assessment models, right? We're trying to assess risk for the same reason that you would want it disclosed to you if a man had been charged and is guilty of domestic abuse. Why would that then be wrong for a man to want to know the body count of a woman to assess his own risk?
Okay. So you didn't think after the first one that you wanted to marry the next one?
No.
You are so dumb.
How many kids you have?
Preference. I have 3.
You have
25,
3?
18, and 12.
Okay, how many baby daddies?
2.
2. Okay. But I just want you to understand, when it comes to a man of top tier, we give you a few from one man. If you have multiple from a different man, that disqualifies yourself.
So it disqualifies a top man.
You told the truth.
So I should be single until I'm 40?
You should have been married before you were a mother.
You're right.
That's the point. That's why that's old wisdom. Marry before you carry. Because when you get here, all the choices are bad. And y'all want good choices after bad decisions. It doesn't work. And it ain't the men's fault.
So when he told me to have this baby and get me pregnant, it ain't his fault.
Nope.
Because I decided to go through with it.
Yep.
You're right.
Got him. We got him.
He said nothing wrong. Like, it devalues the woman when you go through multiple men and have multiple baby daddies. We don't want to deal with that. If you got 3 kids and 3 baby daddies, it's like, damn, your decision-making skills are horrible.
Understand that this modern world and all this beautiful technology around you that you're sitting in right now, if it weren't for men building that and maintaining that, you would have no illusion of being able to be a strong, independent woman.
All right, yo, she's got a point. Women do not like to hear that, but she's got a point. Let's go. Let's finish.
Have all these choices and do what you want.
But why do men do all of that?
They do it because they're benevolent and they are good. Isn't that crazy? They're actually really nice.
But they're getting something out of you.
If men were as bad...
This lady sounds, the girl sounds so ditzy. Why do men do that? But they're getting something out of you. She sounds so ditzy, guy. Come on, man. School her, bro. School her, girl.
Around you that you're sitting in right now, if it weren't for men building that and maintaining that, you would have no illusion of being able to be a strong, independent woman and have all these choices and do what you want.
But why do men do all of that?
They do it because they're benevolent and they are good. Isn't that crazy? They're actually really nice.
But they're getting something out of you.
If men were as bad and misogynistic as you think, they would put us in cages and we'd be, baby farms.
You're a bit of a baby farm. Haven't you popped out 5 children?
Yeah,
You're
I'm
a baby
mother.
farm.
Whoa, you see how it is when women start losing the argument, they start disrespecting the program? Check it out.
As bad and misogynistic as you think, they would put us in cages and we'd be, baby farms.
You're a bit of a baby farm. Haven't you popped out 5 children?
Shaming tactics when confused.
Yeah,
You're
I'm
a baby
mother.
farm.
Would you like me to go wake up my children
Wow.
and get them down here too so you can tell them that they're like
No.
gross little
I don't think it's
trophies?
appropriate.
I would take your little snarky little insults and shove them up because you are a useless heifer who has never done anything except glorify your own
Yo. Like it. So check it out. 2024 has got a problem, and it's called obesity. Let's go. 6 years old. 6 years old. Struggling up them steps. Yo, let me bring in Woody. Woody, my parrot. Say something.
Do women feel bad after
what's
they
up?
treat you like shit? Honestly, no, they don't. In reality, they laugh with their friends about the things that they do to you, and they gossip to their friends about how they're doing you wrong and how they're talking to other men. They don't feel bad until they actually lose you. They keep you on the side, and when they lose you, they feel bad. But once again, women are not good at apologizing or realizing that they're wrong. Unless you call...
Okay, accountability. Yeah, that was my parrot Woody. Living on my personal life there. That was my parrot Woody that you saw in the flick there. Big up Woody. All right, let's keep going. Let's go.
Do to you, and they gossip to their friends about how they're doing you wrong and how they're talking to other men. They don't feel bad until they actually lose you. They keep you on the side, and when they lose you, they feel bad. But once again, women are not good at apologizing or realizing that they're wrong. Unless you call them out, then they'll think about it like, dang, maybe I did mess up. But in that moment, women do not feel bad. They think it's funny, and they really feel like it's funny to treat men like shit. Especially good men, you need to wake up. Women are evil. There are a lot of evil women out here. They don't care about what they do, and they don't care about how they make a man feel.
Yo, I'm glad she said it, because when guys say this stuff, it's like they want to cancel us and shit. Yo, women are what?
Especially women that have been done wrong. They are miserable inside, and they go around hurting other men.
There is no heaven for a man outside of you. Woman is the real heaven of man. Man is the real heaven of a woman. And when man and woman operate under the will of God, we create heaven on earth. And that's why you say, our Father which art in heaven, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. That will never happen until the woman and the man are made right again. For Jesus said the kingdom of heaven is where? Within you. Let's go after it now.
Yo. All right, so check this out. I want everyone in the comment section, if you made it this far, to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Tell me, we say that this girl is getting daga, right? What does that mean to us, right? What does that mean? This girl, look at her face. Tell me the accent and tell me where she's from.
He needs some milk.
This guy's going to need some milk and the milk shake by the time she's finished with him. Check this out.
Yo, tell me what this is.
What's this?
Whoa. Yo, someone just sent me this. Yo, tell me what this is about.
Dagarin. Man went up
What's that
under.
look for?
Yo.
You're not going to tell me what this is about? Bro.
Yo.
No, we're going to talk about this, bro.
Talk about what?
Yo, look at the dagger in. The man went up and under.
Let's go after it now.
Yo.
Yo.
Watch.
Yo, tell me what this is.
Yo, when the man was daggering, he was going in and up under the girl to her ass clad. Watch her.
Whoa. Yo, someone just sent me this. Yo, tell me what this is about. What's that look for? You're not gonna tell me what this is about? Bro. No, we're gonna talk about this, bro.
Talk about what? Talk about what? It's a fucking party. It's a party.
No, another nigga behind you? You gonna turn around and smile at that? So
Yo, what accent is that?
Yo.
What accent?
Yo, tell me what this is.
Whoa.
Yo, someone just sent me this. Yo, tell me what this is about. What's that look for? You're not gonna tell me what this is about?
Oh boy.
Bro. No, we're gonna talk about this, bro.
Talk about what? Talk about what? It's a fucking party. It's a party.
No, another nigga behind you? You gonna turn around and smile
So
at that?
what?
So what? No.
So what?
No.
I paid to go to the party and dance.
This is what happens when you go out with the girls?
It's a fucking party.
It's a party?
So what?
Nah, this ain't partying. This is something else. What is that?
It's a fucking party. That's how winners dance in the Caribbean. You all of a sudden you're stupid. That is what winners do with this dance.
You're stupid. Yo, this girl. What accent is that, people? What accent do you think that is?
Party?
So what?
Nah, this ain't partying. This is something else. What is that?
It's a fucking party. That's how winners dance in the Caribbean.
No, only single women dance like that in the Caribbean. So I want to know which part of the Caribbean you from.
All of a sudden, you're stupid.
You're stupid. Yo.
That is what winners do with this dance.
You call this dancing? This is
Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show.